In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening settings and tapping on display right away. Now select font and operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. Additionally, if you want to adjust font weight as well, operate a second slider. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!